In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence. Whether you're running a small business or managing large-scale social media campaigns, tags are essential for organizing your content and engagements. Today, I'll walk you through the straightforward process of creating a tag in Sprout Social step by step. First, let's navigate to the Sprout Social homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking it will take you to the next step towards accessing your Sprout Social dashboard. At this point, you'll see a field asking for your email and password. Go ahead and fill those in with your account details. These credentials are your key to unlocking all the robust features that Sprout Social has to offer, so make sure you enter them correctly. Once you've entered your details, click the login button to proceed. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Sprout Social dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your command center. Here you can access all the features that Sprout Social offers, from analytics to message scheduling. But today we're focused on tag management, so let's direct our attention to the account and settings. Look for the account and settings option. It's typically located on the left-hand side or within a drop-down menu, depending on your dashboard layout. This section is where you can customize your account settings, manage your notification preferences, and, most importantly for our purposes today, manage your tags. Within the account and settings menu, you'll find the settings option. Clicking here will bring you a step closer to tag management. The design of Sprout Social is intuitive, ensuring you're never more than a few clicks away from the tools you need. Now search for the tag management option within the settings menu. This is where the magic happens. Sprout Social's tagging system is incredibly flexible, allowing you to create, edit, and delete tags that help you organize your social media activities efficiently. Once you've entered the tag management area, you're ready to create a new tag. Look for the Add Tag button. Clicking this button will reveal a form where you can define the details of your new tag. At this point, you will see fields asking for information about the tag you want to create. Fill in the form with the appropriate details. This might include the tag's name and, depending on your setup, other relevant information that will help you categorize and manage your content and interactions effectively. When you're happy with the information you've entered, go ahead and click the Create Tag button. Congratulations! You've just added a new tag to your Sprout Social account. This new tag can now be applied to messages, campaigns, or anything else you manage within Sprout Social, streamlining your workflow and keeping your content organized. Remember, the power of tags lies in their ability to help you filter and find content quickly. Think strategically about the tags you create. Whether you're organizing campaigns by theme, content type, or sentiment, tags can provide you with instant insights into your social media performance. Before we conclude, here's a pro tip. Regularly review your tags to ensure they remain relevant and useful. As your social media strategy evolves, your tagging needs may change. Sprout Social makes it easy to edit or delete tags, ensuring your tagging system remains aligned with your goals. That wraps up our walkthrough on creating a tag in Sprout Social. With this new skill, you're well on your way to mastering social media organization and efficiency. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive these processes will become. Don't hesitate to experiment with different tagging strategies to find what works best for you and your organization. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your social media management tools. Here's to your social media success.